TotalFX 6 is the newest installment of the TotalFX series from NewBlueFX that makes it easier than ever to add customized titles, bugs, and lower thirds to your videos. Today we'll be giving you a brief introduction of the many new powerful features by showing you some of the templates included in the TotalFX 6 collection, as well as walking you through how to create and customize your own title. After installation, TotalFX 6 will be automatically added to your editing software. To add a TotalFX 6 title to your project in Adobe Premiere, click New Item in the Project bin and select NewBlueTitler Confirm your project dimensions and press OK. The TotalFX 6 interface is divided into 5 sections: the Preview window, Timeline, Project Library, Title List, and Attributes. Each window can be dragged and rearranged into a workspace that works best for you, or disabled completely using hotkeys. You can double-click a template in the library to add it to your project and make quick changes to that title from within the Variables tab. Things like title text, logo images, and colors are the most common variables to adjust from within the Scene tab, and variables that you plan on adjusting more often can be brought to the top using the all-new variable ordering handlebars. To make more extensive changes, TotalFX 6 comes with controls for adjusting text, style settings, extrusion, animation, and much more. Use the new zoom feature to make even more precise edits to your title by selecting a zoom level above the preview window, and pan the workspace by clicking and holding the pan button at the bottom right. Many new hotkeys have been added to TotalFX 6. For the zoom feature, hold the Command or Control key and scroll up or down on the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Objects can also be rearranged on the timeline by holding the Command or Control key and pressing the arrow keys. Also new to TotalFX 6 is the Visual History dropdown, an improved version of the Undo feature that allows you to preview all of your recent changes to revert back to a precise point without all the unnecessary guesswork. The brand new Mask effect brings a whole new dimension of creativity to your titles. Turn anything from text to shapes into a layer mask by opening the Effects tab and selecting Mask from the Blending Mode dropdown. Transform AfterFX projects into templates for TotalFX using the NewBlue Title Exporter. Create complex animations, particles, and more, and tag your variables inside AfterFX using the variable tagger, then select NewBlue Titles from the Export menu. Now your AfterFX design can be used inside TotalFX while keeping all your variables intact for instant edits. From the streamlined interface to the improved controls and AfterFX project importer, TotalFX 6 puts all of your titling needs in one easy-to-use program. To learn more, visit NewBlueFX.com/titling today.